Students, here this question is given from the chapter addition. The 4-digit addition 2371 plus 1018 is equal to 3389. In this question now it is asked that 2371 plus 1018 are called. So what is it called? See, here the 4-digit we plus 4-digit and we find this answer. Okay. Now this is in this question it is asked this plus this. What we said that this 4-digit number we add with this 4-digit number. So what we use this term for? To this we add this. We use the addend. We use the word we termed addend. These two numbers we add this number with this are called addend. Okay. These are the addends. Yes, addend, and we find here the answer. In addition, when we find the answer, we call as here the sum. In the addition, we always find the sum. In the subtraction, we find the difference. Yes. Now here the 131. The second question is given. 131 plus 4379. The second hand also the same 4379 plus 131. Here the first number is given this way and the second number. Here the order is changed. Now we have to put sign. Either the sum is increased or same as. Yes. So this is the one property of addition. When we change the order of that number, the same number we find as the sum. So we put here the equal to sign. Yes. Here the order is changed. The second addend is come here, the first addend, and the first one is goes to the second. But the sum is always same. Because the same number we use as the addend. So the sum is always same. So we put here the equal to sign. Now student, our next question is match the following. Here different addition we are doing and find the answer as accordingly match this with the another column. Here the question is given 4-digit plus 4-digit. 3786 plus 4899. So for that to find the sum of, we have to do here the addition. In this space I will show you this addition. 3786 plus 4899. So now we add this. This is the method of addition with regrouping method. 6 plus 9, 15. 1 is carry forward. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 is carry forward. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So we get as the sum is 8685. Now we will find here 8600. So we here find the sum as 8685. Now we will find here the answer as the same as the sum in the second column, as we are finding the same in the fourth. 8685. Yes. So we match with this A with 4. Yes. Now the second 3296 plus 4602. This is the simple addition without regrouping. So we can do it easily. That see 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 8. I will write here the answer. Then tens, 9 plus 0, 9. 2 plus 6, 8. And 3 plus 4, 7. So we get here the answer sum as 7898. So it is here in the third. So 7898. Now third one, 4848 plus 1000. So this is the question from the addition by tens, hundred and thousand. So this is easy. We only change the place value of the thousand by 1000. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5848. So you can find it here, the last one, 5848. We match this. Now 60 plus 8 plus 42. So you can easily understand that this is the easy method for addition, or the quick way of addition, as we done in the chapter, that 60 plus 8 plus 42. So we add with this 42 plus 8 first, 50 will come, then 50 plus 60, then 110. Now where is the 110? Yes, you can find it here. Again I will repeat. This is the addition by the simple way of addition, when we expand that the greater number. Yes, that 68 if it is given, then 60 plus 8 plus 42. This is the addend here, 42. Now we add with this 48 plus 42. So 42 first we add with this that small number, 42 plus 8, that is 50. Then 50 plus 60 is equal to 110. So 110 we find here the first. So we match here. Okay. Now for the last, we will do here 2899 plus 1633. I will show you here the addition. 2899 plus 1633. So addition with regrouping method, 9 plus 3, 12. 1 is carry forward, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 1 is carry forward, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. 1 is carry forward, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 4, 5, 3, 2. So 4, 5, 3, 2 we can find here, and we match with this fifth E with 2. Yes. So this way, if it is asked, so before that to match the column, before that you solve this question and match the column.